is going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, you already know we're going to be busting it up and playing in some makeup, okay? Period. But what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be starting off with the face. I really don't know what I want to do with my eyes yet, so I said let me jump into face first. You figure dig what I figure dig. So with that being said, we're not going to be doing too much ranting and raving. We're going to be starting off with primer, honey child, and we're going to be starting off with my fave lately, and it is the Laura Mercier, and this is the Pure Canvas Primer, baby. It's something about this primer, baby. When I tell you it be blurring stuff, it be blurring it out for real, for real. Yes, and we just gonna put this all over our face. Hey, so I'm going to be jumping into the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer, and this is in the color Rich Chocolate. Laying this real good all under the skin. You know what I'm saying? Get all that dark circle. But what is going on, my boo? I hope everybody is doing good. I hope you guys are crashing these goals, because this year is the year to crash your goals. Do everything that you want to do, not caring what nobody say. You know, all that good stuff. You feel me? Blend that out real good. Me, I've been doing pretty good. I've been actually just working hard, been a little exhausted, but hey baby, you got to work hard and put the pressure on yourself, girl. You never know how far you can go. Okay, next we're going to be jumping into foundation, and you already know I've been jumping into my Nars Radiant. Okay, I need some more of this. This is my shot right here, baby. Okay, and you only need 2 pumps. Put that all over the skin. Look at that, baby. Less is more. You know, I already told you that, baby. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, yes, baby. All right, real quick, I'm gonna just set that with the Dark Deep MAC. But yes, other than that, I've really been chilling. All right, so now we're going to be jumping into concealer, and maybe I think I might give y'all all a drugstore. We might be jumping into the, no, I'm addicted. I'm sorry, y'all. We gotta do Charlotte Tilbury. You know something about this Charlotte Tilbury. I love this Charlotte Tilbury, okay? But yes, honey, I hope my boos is learning and growing, because we are learning and growing on this channel. I mean, I'm really proud of a lot of the girls that I'm like seeing on my Instagram. It's like I've known a lot of them in like the beginning of their careers. I'm just so happy for a lot of people. Like, it's your season. You feel me? I'm a type of person, like, if I see you doing something, like, I'm happy for you. I really am. It's a lot of people that don't be happy for you, but I think you need to pay attention to the people that are, because there's people out there that are happy for you. And for the girls that I follow, I'm one of them. Okay? Look at my Charlotte Tilbury. I done beat my Charlotte Tilbury up. Next time I get you, baby, I promise I'll treat you right. So y'all know I'm crazy. But next we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color 350. So yeah, we're going to smack that. I think using a brush does give you a better cleaner, you know, boom. Okay. All right, now you already know we got to let that lay. We have to let that sit. We got to let that marinate. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be jumping into the Bobbi Brown. Y'all know, you know. But yes, this is the year, isn't it? Y'all is showing up, showing out, honey. And we're just gonna tap it right on up in there. Ha 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 ha. Listen, that blend is perfect. Listen, I ain't got nothing to say. Okay, we're gonna try this. Come on and bring that out there. I really love this Charlotte Tilbury. And with that Fenty Beauty mix, baby, love it. I got to know how you gonna go, baby. Goddamn, be blended for a while up in this joint. So we're gonna be jumping into the Laura Mercier in the color Honey. Okay, honey. We're gonna hurry up and set, cause this girl, if I don't set right away, it is crease time. Come on now, don't do me like that. Like the way this feels here. So now, since we have that down, we're gonna jump into the Mocha Mommy really quick, and I just want to warm this face up. Just warm her. She needs a little jacket. Okay. All right, so we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette, and we're going to be tapping into Gold Luxe and Over It. And I'm just noticing, I just want a little today. I just want to beam on you. Put some in the middle. Put some on your nose. So now I'm going to be tying this in with some blush, honey. And we're going to be using the Sweet Cheeks. This has actually been my fave, like, little blush to tie everything in. So now we're going to jump into eyes. Taking the 16-hour Cameo in the color Deep Cinnamon and just laying this all on there. Blend that out. This is my first time doing my eyes last, so we gonna see how this turns out. This ain't usually my thing, baby. And now we're going to be jumping into a palette. The Stacey Marie Carnival palette. If you don't know, now you know. Okay. We're going to be jumping into Slow Burn. We're going to be jumping into this M14 brush. And we're just going to just brush that all in the crease, just like this. Taking it real good, baby. Alright, so now since we have that transition down, we're going to be jumping into haul. This right here. One thing I also learned about shadows, you can't be afraid of it. When I first started doing my eyes, I used to be so afraid of eyeshadow, and I used to be like, oh my god, I cannot do this, like I can't. And what I learned is you cannot be afraid of eyeshadow. Now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into Intuition, darken up the crease. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut the crease. Just gonna blend that out real good. I wanted to do a nice beautiful glitter, and I was thinking copper, and we're gonna just take some of this primer. This is a glitter primer. Like, why did I want to do my face first and then decide to do glitter? So now we're going to jump into this brown wing liner. And now since I have that down, I'm going to take this white jump right back into the hole and bring it in my under eye real good. Put this Fenty Beauty under the eye. Take a little bit of eyeshadow and just get that lid just a little smudge. Now we're gonna smack some mascara, the Fenty Beauty, of course. So now I'm gonna jump on a lash really quick, do this other eye, and then we can jump right into lip. So for lip, we're definitely keeping it simple. So we're gonna outline the lips. Alright, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Morphe lip, and this is called Matte. And now we're going to be jumping into just a cute little gloss, and this is also Morphe, and this is in Chill. This is like my favorite Morphe combo. And now of course we're gonna spray this face, okay? I really like the way this cut crease eye came out. It is definitely the copper for me, baby. If you was really liking this look, make sure you do not forget to leave me a comment down below. Also smash that like button. You know how we do around here in these parts, okay? Also, my boo, if you are just now seeing me and you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. You already know what to do, period. With that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to keep God first. You know we do not be playing about God on this channel. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah.